Hello farmers, you're welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Addota Farm, and you know already that our priority is to tell you the best and to teach you the best you can do to avoid any problem on your farmland. It rained heavily last night, so I have to wake up to the farm I am, to check how the condition of the farm is, because it is a new place. So the rain just started falling heavily. Remember in one of my videos I told you, I think I have many of the videos that I advise you and I tell you that you have to be very serious with your drainage to avoid overflowing. And also in some of the video I told you that you should do your inlet pipe and do your outlet pipe, so that even if your water wants to overflow, it won't take your fish out of the pond. The outlet will take your water out of the pond instead of the pond to overflow. Guess what? When I woke up this morning, so I rushed to the farm to check the condition of the farm, and this is what I want to show you right now. So follow me to where the stream is and see how the water level is, and I'm very sure the water level will still rise more than this. So for that reason, there are a lot of work to be done on the drainage again. So see the drainage, see how the water is overflowing. Look at my back. Can you see? This is the level of the water at hand, and we have our fish pond at the other side, at the side of the drainage. Like I always tell you, please let your fish pond, don't let it come close to where your stream is. Let it to be a bit far away. You know, with the level of this water, the pond are still free. Look at it. So this water rises more than it's supposed to rise. So if you don't have a very good drainage, if your drainage is not clean enough, then that is going to be another problem entirely. Look at all these palm trees. Everything needed to be removed, and the drainage needed to be dig more. But it's something we are going to do later on. Look at it. The water is very full. Look at the drainage. Can you see? You can see the level of the drainage. Look at it here. And if at all this kind of water should enter inside your pond, you understand what will happen. That means all your fish will be gone. But if you have your outlet inside the pond, even if water passes through the inlet in, like the water overflow the inlet in, so the outlet will take the water out immediately. As the water is coming in, the water will be going out. So that will make your fish pond to be more safer. Look at the fish pond and look at the water. Can you see that it's far away from where the pond is? So that is how you should do your pond, and you should have to be very careful with your drainage. Although there are some places that their pond are closer to the stream like this and they do have serious overflow of water. It happened to them once, sometimes, that water will enter into their pond and take their fish away, and some that are well prepared do clear their drainage and they do the necessary things, and when the water comes, the water will go freely. So if you have your own fish pond, please, I am advising in this very season, you know how much you've spent on your fish, so you have to be very careful with your drainage. It won't cost you a lot. It won't cost you more than how much you've spent on your fish to do the drainage. So kindly do the drainage as I'm advising you. The rain that we still have in the cloud is much, is very much. So please do your drainage and let your drainage to be free, so that the water will be going freely. If your drainage is not free, then that means you are building room for flood. So, and once flood enter your pond, you should know that is a huge loss. So please, as I'm advising you, do your drainage, clean everything, and always reach out to your farm whenever time it's rain. This thing will help you very well to monitor how to, handle your fish pond, where the water should pass and where the water shouldn't pass. If your outlet pipe is blocked, you have to clean it up. If your inlet pipe is taking water in, you will know how to close it. Maybe you use nylon with the balloon wire to close it at the top. So you will know how to do everything. So it will be very, very better for you to do everything. So you don't have to be idle whenever time it's rain like this. No matter how busy you are, knowing how much you've spent on your business, you have to wake up early in the morning to check the drainage, to check your fish farm. So when it's rain, so this will help you to control your fish farm very, very well. Like as you can see the drainage. Look at how it is going. So this is what I want to tell you about controlling the drainage when it's rain, and how to reach out to your farm when it's rain, and what to do in your farm when it's rain. Remember, I told you, you get to your farm, you check on the drainage, make sure everything is free, then check on your inlet and your outlet pipe, close the place that are needed to be closed, and ease the place that are needed to be eased, so that water can pass out easily. So I'm praying to God that we all are not going to have loss due to the issue of erosion by the grace of God. So thank you for watching our videos. We appreciate you all. Like we've always promised, we'll give you all the best that will help your farm to be more safer, and that will help you to be more profitable on your farmland. Thank you so much. My name is Simeon O. James. I am your farm captain.